flash flood watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening. The flash flood watch continues for portions of southeast California and southern Nevada, including the following areas: in southeast California, Cadiz Basin, Death Valley National Park, eastern Mojave Desert, eastern Sierra Slopes, Morongo Basin, Owens Valley, western Mojave Desert, and White Mountains of Inyo County. In southern Nevada, southern Clark County, and Spring Mountains Red Rock Canyon. Until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time this evening, showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop across portions of southeast California and far southern Nevada today, especially from the mid-morning hours into the early evening hours. Any stronger or slower moving thunderstorms could unleash 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, with locally higher amounts possible in an hour or less. This could lead to flash flooding, especially if it falls over any low-lying areas or in a wash or canyon that quickly moves water to a lower area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that led to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.